In this video, we're going to use mathematical induction to prove that a statement is true for all natural numbers. Suppose we want to say that the sequence 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 10n equals 5n times n plus 1 for all natural numbers n. First, we need to consider a base case. So we'll let n equal 1. Then substituting 1 for n, we have 10 times 1 equals 5 times 1 times 1 plus 1, which gives us 10 equals 5 times 2, which gives us 10 equals 10. So that's our base case. For our next step, we need to assume that the statement is true for some integer k. Or rather, since we're working in natural numbers, we'll say assume true for some natural number k. And the natural numbers refer to whole numbers 1 and greater. So for our next step, we assume the statement is true for some natural number k. So we say 10k is equal to 5k times k plus 1. And we assume that to be true. Next, we want to show that the statement is true when it's evaluated at k plus 1. So we need to show true for k plus 1. Now here's where the problem gets a little bit more involved. Our job is to take the left-hand side of the equation, the right-hand side of the equation, and evaluating them at k plus 1, show that the sides are equivalent. So we proceed like this. For the left-hand side of the equation, we're going to start by taking 5k times k plus 1 and writing it as is, plus, and then our 10k, which we write as 10 times k plus 1. This represents the left-hand side of our equation. So we'll go ahead, distribute, and simplify our terms so that we have 5k squared plus 5k plus 10k plus 10, which becomes 5k squared plus 15k plus 10. Now, let's take the right-hand side of the equation, which we evaluate at k plus 1. So we take our 5k times k plus 1, and evaluating it at k plus 1, it looks like this. 5 times k plus 1 times k plus 1 plus 1. So we distribute and simplify. We have 5k plus 5 times k plus 2. Now we FOIL it out. Using the FOIL method, we have 5k squared plus 10k plus 5k plus 10, which simplifies to 5k squared plus 15k plus 10. Now we see that the left-hand side and the right-hand sides of our equation are equivalent. Therefore, we have proven that our original statement, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 10n equals 5n times n plus 1, holds true for all natural numbers n. This concludes our proof and our video. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.